Hey guys, so we're gonna be building a snowman. We've got our foil tray. Ignore this Thanksgiving tablecloth. I need to change it out. But Ryan, go ahead and pour our baking soda. This is literally a two-step activity. So all you need is some baking soda.
You're gonna build a snowman.
And then you need some white hair conditioner, which we've got over there. So Ryan's just pouring out a good amount. Get that little corner back there. Yep. Perfect. And then we are going to add in our hair conditioner. Thank you, Ryan. You can do a little more in the middle. Okay, next I need you to take the hair conditioner right there.
What?
Yep, move that all around. Good job. Keep it going.
Is that enough?
I think so. Now we are going to
Mix it or no?
Yes, but you're gonna need something to mix it with, and there are some spoons right behind you.
Yeah.
See them in the back next to those snowflakes? In that blue box?
Mm-hmm.
No, the blue box. Thank you. I saw this idea on TikTok, so I said, you know what? Let's give it a try.
Mix?
Yep. Maybe use your hands too. Yeah, see how it's turning it into snow? It's getting sticky. You can make a snowman out of this. You might need a little bit more conditioner. Ooh, that smells really good though.
Of what? Is this?
Yeah, some more conditioner.
Maybe more than...
Do you need some more snow?
yeah.
Okay.
Make it all snowy. Let's go.
All right. You want to use your hand to mix it all up? Or are you going to use the spoon? Yeah. Now, can you build a snowman with that?
I don't think so.
I think you can. To build a snowman, you start with a base. So you got to make a circle out of the snow. Yeah, it's coming together real good. Yeah. You need a napkin? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Look at that base now. Okay, there's one. Now make another ball, stick that on top of that one. Yep, roll it up and stick it on that body.
Can we add some of that?
Yep. Okay, there's his next body. And then now he needs a head. Here. Oh, that looks awesome, Ryan. So now maybe you can make a snowflake?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching our little snow at-home activity for wintertime. And we'll see you next time.
And on the next activity.
For the next activity. Bye.